Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to solve Wi-Fi problem in Vivo Y15s phone. So friends, you want to solve your Wi-Fi problem guys. When you connect Wi-Fi, do not connect, you have problem with your Wi-Fi setting. So guys, don't worry guys, I will show you guys how to solve Wi-Fi problem. Then guys, you can use your Wi-Fi setting easily. So guys, let's see how to solve Wi-Fi problem. So guys, first of all, open your phone setting. Then guys, you will have to come on your guys this system setting. The system setting, as you can see, click here. Then guys, click on restore data. Guys, click on click on reset phone. Sorry friends, click on guys the reset phone. Guys, click on first guys, you can see Wi-Fi reset. Click here and guys reset setting. Click and guys draw your pattern. Sorry friends, draw your pattern. And guys, you can see you want to reset, and I reset it. So guys, click here, then we reset setting. Guys, please wait. Then guys, Wi-Fi problem will solve in your Vivo Y15s phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to solve Wi-Fi problem network in Vivo Y15s phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with a new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel.